Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Adobe Illustrator, don't stress, I have got your back. Today I will be breaking down the basic of Illustrator and the most important tools to get you started with your first design. So let's dive in. So when you first open Illustrator, I know it looks little bit of intense, but don't worry, I will walk you through it step by step. So first we will have to create a new file. We can directly create a new file from here as well, or else we can go with file, new, and we can open this layout as well. So this is our width and height, and this is the points, pixels, inches, whatever we want. So we will go with pixels, and the width we want that is 1080 and height is 1350. So okay, for the color mode I don't want CMYK right now. I will go with the RGB one, and this is the raster effect. Always keep it to 300. I will suggest you that. Click on create, and here we go, your artboard is ready. So let me give you guys a quick tour of what all things we have over here. So this is our control bar on the top, and here over here we have our properties, layers and libraries and other panels, and the artboard is right in the middle, which is your workspace. So let's go with the first tool, that is selection tool. So what this tool basically do, let me create a circle first. If we create a circle, okay, so this tool basically helps you to select circle, or if you added text over here, so you can select text as well with this tool. So basically we can say this tool is for selection as per its name. Let's delete this. The arrow below it is a white arrow, and it is known as direct selection tool. So let's again draw a circle. So what this tool basically do, we can select the parts like this and just adjust it like this and play around. So this tool basically helps to do that. If we go below that, over here are the shapes. So over here we have rectangle, star, line, segment. So this is a rectangle. You just have to right click on it and just drag it. That's it. And it is super easy to use. See, we have a rectangle over here, star over here, then we can just have a circle over here, then polygon as well. So below that we have pencil tool. Okay, we will do that later. We will go directly jump into our main tool, that is pen tool. So what pen tool does, I know this look little bit of intense as well, as it is hard, I know, but practice will make you perfect in this tool as well. So basically this tool is used to create shapes like this, and with this tool only you can create your logo, you can create your whole design in Illustrator. And if we go upside in the upward direction, there is the curvature tool. So what this tool does, if you want to create a circle, okay, let's just take an example of circle. So it doesn't create a straight line. You just have to right click and just click, and you can see it just literally created a circle. Yeah, I know it is not perfect because we have our shapes right over here, so why we are wasting time with this. So yeah, I will suggest you to use pen tool most than the curvature tool, because with pen tool we can do that as we just have to right click on it and then just drag, and you can see the curve, it is coming. Again do that, right click on it, drag, right click on it, drag, again right click on it and drag, or just join to the point and your shape is ready. Now we will use our selection tool just to move the shapes like this. If you want to change anything in this, just go to direct selection tool and double click on the anchor point, and over here you can just change it like this. Let me show you where is our text tool. So this is our text tool, and we can write anything in this. Like if I write Shraddha, okay, so basically text tool does the writing thing. If you know Canva, then you guys will know what does the text tool does. So for now I think so it is better for you to understand this much tool in this video. and boom, those are the core tools you need to get started with Adobe Illustrator. Whether you are designing a logo, poster design or shapes, you are already there. So now you guys know the basic of the Illustrator, not full basic but little bit of basic, so you can start creating your own poster design. Let me help you with that. You just have to follow me and practice with me. So first I will change the color of artboard. What we can do is go to our shape tool, rectangle tool, then just right click and drag it like this. Double click on the color panel and just change the color. I will be going with like beige color. Yeah, like this. Click on OK. Now let's just lock this layer so it won't move like this again and again and it won't interrupt our design. So I'm just locking this. You have to click it over here and you can just lock and unlock your layer from here. Now go to the text tool. Oh, the text is too big. If your text is too big like this, don't worry. Just click on the middle over here. You can see this arrow and click on shift and just drag it in the upward way and you can see how my text has gotten small. There is one more way to make your text small, which is the property layer. In property section, this is the panel over here. We can just adjust height according to this like this. For now we'll just keep the property layer over here so it will be easy for you guys to see as well. We will write our text, do it for yourself. I am not liking the text and the design that I have in my mind, that is totally different. So let's adjust it first to the size of our artboard like this, and let's change the text. Okay, for changing the text, what you can do, if you just move around like this, you can change that as well, but okay. Okay, so we will change our text. Let me see, guys. So I'm using this font. The font name is Coolvetica, not Helvetica, it is Coolvetica. So yeah. Now I am not liking the spacing around the font. I want a little bit more space in this. So what I will do, if you see, you can see this section over here. You just have to click on the drop down menu and over here you can just adjust your space accordingly. Okay, this one 50 is enough, or else you can just directly type 50 as well and enter, and the size has been changed. Now let's play with the shapes. Let's see how we can use our shapes over here. First I will go with rectangle tool, and on top of yourself I will just create a small shape over rectangle over here. Let's change the color to red, I guess. Okay, red. Now if you're seeing this small circles over here, it is for curvature, like for the curvy corners of your rectangle. So I want just this much curve, I guess. Yeah, and I will write a text as well. I will write likes it, likes it, and obviously I want this on top. Let's change the color to okay, we will do one thing. We will just change the color to our background color, which is this. I'm using eyedropper tool to change the color of it. If you want, you can just keep the color black as well, but I think so black is looking more better than this, so I will just go with the black. But I think so the red color is not going that much, so let's go with the pastel colors. Like pastel color will look pretty good over here. So pastel color. Let's change the font. I want something that is funky. Okay, I like this one. Just adjust it. Now I don't want this to be aligned in straight line. So what we can do is click on it, right click on it, then again left click on it, just go to create outline, then again left click on it and ungroup it. So now what we can do is we can just move each letters just like this. I want this E to be a little bit going up like this. Yep. And here we go with our S. Okay, S little bit like this. And it should be something like this. Here is the main thing I didn't tell you about, how to zoom in and zoom out in your design. So basically press Ctrl and Alt and just do this with your mouse scroller. If we go upside, okay, let me show you. If we go upside, it will zoom. If we go downside, it will minimize it. So yeah, this is looking good. Now I want something different kind of shape over here. So what I will do, I will go with the pen tool and then just press shift. Okay, first I will just create a dot over here, anchor point, which is called as anchor point, and then press shift for a straight line. So it will create a straight line only, not tedha line. So obviously straight line. We'll go with a straight line over here, and then again we want a straight line over here as well, and then we will just, and then we want a straight line over here as well, and then just click on this and drag it for a curvature like this. Now I want the shape to be a little bit more bigger, so I will just drag it like this and make it a little bit more big. So as you can see, I've clicked on direct selection tool just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Double click on the anchor point, so only this area will get smooth like this. Over here I will add something, a blue color, I guess in pastels only. No, not this blue. I don't want this kind of blue. I just want a bit of darker. Let's see what blue will look good. Okay, this blue is looking better. Okay, so inside this I will write something to related to yourself. So I will write it over self over here, but in a little bit different way. Let's go to our text tool again and just write. So I will write self in a different way. F, where is our F? F L S E. And obviously I'm going to change the font over here. Oh, where is my property section? Oh, so sorry guys. Okay, so in again over here we are in the property section. I want the text should be different, so I will just see which text goes well with this. Let's just make this big, and the spacing in both the letters like this is very much. I want a little bit less. So what I will do, I will just go over here and then just reduce the spacing like this. Click on 72 and that's it. Obviously I don't want it to be straight. I want a little bit, we can say, tilt. So just zoom in. Again we will do the same thing. Left click on it, create outline, then again left click on it and ungroup it. So after ungrouping it, click one by one, we can click it. So now I want this to be straight, this to be a little bit tilted to right, this tilted to left, and E again I want it straight. Now I want to create a star, like something like a star over here. So let's go to our star tool. Shapes, and shape we have star. Click on star, then double click over here. Now it depends how many points you want. So I want 10 points. Let's click OK, and here we go. We have our 10-point star. We will just adjust it like this, I guess. Yeah, and change the color to pink maybe. Yeah, this pink looks better, I guess. Yeah. Okay, click OK. We have changed the color to pink, and inside it I will write something with cursive letter. So again, go to text tool and I will write if. So but I wanted the font to be a little bit bold, but I don't have any option of bold over here in a property section. What I will do, I will click on the font, then I will just turn on our stroke section, and in properties only you will get the option of stroke over here, where you can increase the intensity like this, how much thick you want. I guess 2 is enough, so do it yourself. I'm just adding some elements, showing you how you can use shapes in your design, the shapes, and a little bit more bigger. So let's just do that. Oopsie. Okay, I haven't grouped this all. So what you guys can do, select everything, left click on it, and then just group it. If you are not getting option like this, as I'm not getting option, just again, okay, 1 minute. To group it, just press Ctrl plus G and it will group it. I want this to be a little bit more bigger. This, oopsie. I don't want this thing to move again and again, so I will lock this as well. And okay, I want likes it also big. Okay, now it is looking good. The proportion is looking like equal and pretty good. Now I wanted to add a design, like kind of shape over here, so let's create that. I will add one circle like this. Yeah, then I will just scroll it down a bit, again scroll it down a bit. I want it to be centered. I wanted it to be in centered align. Now I wanted it to be a little bit bigger like this. More big, I guess. Now obviously this is like a different shape, and I wanted in only one whole single click to be get selected. So obviously I'm not going to just click and do it, group it. No, it is very wrong way to do. Just do this, select each and every layer that you have created, then just go to shape builder tool. So what this tool do, I will show you. See, your shape is fully joined and it is a one single path. Now I want to change this color to yellow color. Perfect. Here we go. Now this whole thing is ready. I am thinking to add a circle over here. Change the color to green, I guess. Now I want something to look attractive, like more attractive in this. So what I will do, I will just select the shapes that I have created, add a stroke of, I guess, white color to it, click OK, and then just increase the stroke size to 3 maybe. Yeah, to 3. Similar thing, I will do this thing to each and every shape. Okay, so here we are with our poster design ready. Okay, so once your design is ready, I will show you guys how to export your whole design in JPG, PNG, in different format. Just go to file, then click on export, then click on export as. So over here you will get lots of options, like we have PDF, we have JPG, PNG. For now I will go with JPG and save it in desktop. Name this as poster design and then just save it. And obviously keep the quality 10 and everything is okay. Click OK. like how much tools that I have teach you, I have used that tools in this, and I will make sure to create like more different like increase the level for you all guys. You can practice with me and we can increase the level in our Illustrator like day by day, and I will make sure like you guys learn each and every single tool of Illustrator. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this video or you guys want more tutorials like this, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep creating.